badalang talking. Do something, hey, do something, do something, hey, do something, do something, do something, do something. Badalang talking. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Good night, sons. How we feeling tonight? No. I'm gonna like daddy sound there. How we feeling tonight, sons? We're having a good time? We're having a good time. All right. My name is Kingdom Culture. I am from Jamaica, and I'm so happy to be in NYC. Even in the pandemic, I'm so happy to be among my people, and we're gonna have a good time tonight, right? A good time tonight, right? All right, ladies, this one is for you. If you know it, sing along for me, now, please. You know that one, you're not sure? Eh? Hey. It's a pity you already have your wife. Pull up. Come again one more time. Come again, bands. Ladies, I want you to sing this one with me now. Because I know so you know them situation, you know you have your man. And you see your next man. And even though you want to keep your man, you think about a little, the nice man where you see. You understand? Nothing wrong with that, you know. Nothing really wrong with that. And we're going to talk about it tonight because Tanya put it nicely. You understand? I say if we never get a chance to be together, I say if we never get a chance to be together, go with ya, Tanya love. Let me know, ready? Sing! It's a pity you already have your wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I say it is just a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a... Let me hear you sing, ladies, yeah! I would like to wake up one of these mornings and find your face on your pillow lying right next to mine. I would cut out the party in the smoking and the rum, plus an extra wine and make we sail up a song. Cause every time I fantasize, I see your lips, I see your eyes. Trigger finger, do some things, I make the rude girl hypnotize. For you it's just a thing, just another little thing. For me this is heaven and the angels. Hey, it's a pity. Let me hear you sing out. I already have a... and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I say it is just a pity you already have your wife, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. Next track, hey. Yo, for this one is for all the lioness in the house. Let me hear the lioness make a shout in the place. If you know you're a strong woman, let me hear you make a shout in the place. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, let me hear you sing. When the road is colder, I'll be standing taller to place the darkest and the hardest of time. We'll be taking care of all the children there. Yo, pull up this. Yes, we're gonna run down there one more time, not sure. All the ladies who are lioness in the house, let me hear you make a scream. Let me hear you make a scream, ladies, if you know you're a lioness in the place. One more time for the bands, one more time. All right, we have a change going on here. Just bear with me 1 second. Let the bass change over. Hey, let's. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh, we're standing tall to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children there, but if it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, all the stories been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't you ever have to. Ever know, yeah. If you are willing to serve, we'll have room to observe, to see if you can walk the walk you talk. Let me give you my word, my voice must be heard. Bravery is the key of my heart. You can call me by my name, I am ready, I am ready. How the story's been told. Call me anytime, I never cop out. Lioness is on the rise, don't ever have no doubt, no. Yeah, yeah, hey, hey, nice and easy for me. Nice and easy for me, nice and easy for me. Play it nice and easy for me, Kingdom Culture is the name now. We're gonna move on to another original. Don't like that one that's so far? Or do you like the vibe so far? Yeah man, I like it. So, I'm gonna do a little original. I'm gonna do for you one of a song that I wrote. A song that is out now is called Better. And I wrote this one for all the single mothers out there and the single fathers out there, because we don't know, say, we are many. But this song, just right now in the COVID time, things are rough and things tough. So this song will just be an encouragement to all the single parents who out there fighting the good fight that it will get better. You understand? Who believes that it's going to get better? Let me hear you say it will get better. It will get better no matter how much I hold we down with the virus and all the things that I try to do. It will get better. We're going to continue to speak it over our lives. It will get better. Yes. You'll be there. No, next track, please, next track. Yeah. Next track. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Shalom to you, shalom to you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. So this one is called Better. Hey, you you little, you tried it alone, yet you try your best to bring him up, you try to build your own, but you know say you never make no picnic on your own. How come you end up in that situation now when you're feeling on a life? Cause everything you sacrifice, more while you feel like cry, but you have to realize that it will get better. It will get better. The problems you're facing, them won't last forever. It will get better. So go and raise a little youth now, my sister, now my brother. It will get better. But no more while life get rough like the weather. It will get better. It will get better. Hey, Monday morning a shoes and socks, and Monday evening a food in the pot, and apart from God, you know why you alone do that. Plus you work 5-7 days a week non-stop, and you feel you're not life, cause everything you sacrifice, more while you feel like die, but you have to realize, here we go. It will get better. It will get better. The problems you facing, them won't last forever. It will get better. So go and raise a little youth, now my sister, now my brother. It will get better. But no more while life get rough like the weather. It will get better. It will get better. Hey, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Shalom to you, shalom to you. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. It will get better. It will get better. The problems you're facing, let me just sing it out. It will get better. Yeah. It will get better. The problems you face and them won't last forever. It will get better. It will get better. Yeah, that one is better. If all the people never know, say, don't wait for your brighter day. Let me see you under the ear. Let me see you under the ear. Just know, say, things never remain the same. You understand? Just continue to be positive. Hey, hey, hey. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I have one long song that I want to play for you. This is my latest single that is out now, streaming on all platforms. Your Spotify, your iTunes, every digital platform. Check it out. It's called Pressure by Kingdom Culture. Play the track for me, the DJ.
You beat it. Super hype.
It's called Pressure by Kingdom Culture.
Let me send the lighters for the ones who trying.
Trying.
More strength to you.
More strength to you if you're trying.
Yeah, I know the pressures in life, they get so hard, and sometimes you don't really know what to do. But it's when things get tough we find the treasures hiding inside. So you better know what to do. Dig deep and push through.
No bother with the waste man thing. Keep it compensated, keep it straight and thing. No rather lose the meds and deviate and thing. Keep your head together, keep the faith and thing. Meditate and thing, thank the create and thing. No bother push the madness and the grape and thing. Oh, man, shall lead you, yeah. Yeah, I know the pressures in life, they get so hard, and sometimes you don't really know what to do. But it's when things get tough we find the treasures hiding inside. You better know what to do. Dig deep and push through. Yeah. Thank you, SANDZ. It was a pleasure to pass through. Big up on yourself. Continue to keep positive. Hey, big up yourself, man. Thank you so much.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, get up for Kingdom Culture.